Arestado naman daw PNP ang babaeng nakuha na ng higit 2 milyong shabu sa isinagawang buy-bust operation na Mandawi PNP sa M. Lugarta Street, Barangay Subang Dako, Mandawi City. Kinilala ni Chief City Intelligence Unit, City Drug Enforcement Unit, Mandawi City Police Office ang high-value individual suspect na si Charlene, 32 anyos at residente ng Sitio Punton, Barangay Alaska, Mambaling, Cebu City. Ayon sa ulat ng pulisya, bandang alas 9:45 ng gabi nang ikinasal ang buy-bust operation na nagresulta sa pagka-aresto ng suspect at pagka-recover ng 6 na pakete na hinihinalang shabu na may timbang na 300 gramo at standard drug price na 2,040,000 pesos, blue na Oppo cellphone, black sling bag at buy-bust money. Samantala, kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Police Station 6 Mandawi City Police Office ang suspect para sa dokumentasyon at tamang disposisyon na kung saan mahaharap ito sa kasong paglabag sa Republic Act 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
The City Director of MCPO, Police Colonel Julius B. Sagandoy, reiterated the standing order of the higher headquarters in an active stance against illegal drugs, and according to him, this will somehow lessen, if not eradicate, illegal drugs in Mandawi City. Further said, in the Bagong Pilipinas, the Mandawi City Police Office are committed to ensure your safety. Together, let us build a drug-free community where every citizen can live free from the scourge of illegal drugs. Thank you, and may we continue to work hand in hand towards a brighter and safer future for Mandawi City.
Ang kapulisan ng Mandawi ay patuloy sa pagpapaigting ng kanilang kampanya kontra illegal na droga at anumang uri ng kriminalidad upang magkaroon ng kaayusan at kapayapaan tungo sa bagong Pilipinas.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Nikia Canedo, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.